Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials, power, cable, and that the mic is the OS default. This prevents device conflicts. Once done, open OBS and add an audio input capture source. Choose your mic explicitly. Make sure the sample rate in OBS matches the OS because mismatched rates cause stutters and dropouts. Also disable exclusive mode in Windows audio properties so multiple apps can access the device. Adjust mic boost conservatively, since too much creates clipping and noisy gain. Next, focus on the software stack. Update the mic firmware and USB or ASIO drivers because drivers fix compatibility bugs. In OBS, choose the correct audio backend, WASAPI or ASIO for lower latency, and enable monitoring to hear real input. This reveals latency or echo issues. Configure buffering in OBS if you experience dropouts. Increase buffer slightly to stabilize. Add filters wisely, a noise gate to cut background hiss, a compressor to control dynamics, and noise suppression to reduce ambient noise without choking voice clarity. Finish by doing a focus test. Record 30 to 60 seconds while speaking at normal and loud volumes, then check the waveform and playback for clipping, dropouts, or timing errors. If problems continue, swap USB ports, avoid unpowered hubs, or try a dedicated audio interface to isolate bus power issues. Make sure OBS and driver sample rates still match. If nothing works, reset OBS audio settings and test the mic on another machine. This quickly shows whether the fault is hardware,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.